Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your credit or debit card details from your Amazon account using a desktop or laptop. It only takes a few clicks, so let's get started. First, log into your Amazon account. At the top of the page, hover over Account and Lists, then click your account. On the next page, find and select your payments. This will take you to the section where your saved payment methods are managed. Once you're on Your Payments page, look for the Cards and Accounts section. Here, you'll see the credit or debit cards currently saved to your Amazon account. If you have more than one card, find the specific card you want to remove. Next, click on the card you want to delete. Select Edit next to the payment method. A menu will appear with an option that says Remove from Wallet. Click it, then confirm the removal if Amazon asks you to. The card will then be removed from your saved payment methods. And that's it. You've successfully removed a saved credit or debit card from your Amazon account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple Amazon and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.